This is Bacon Cooking Grilling. We're going to make some homemade guacamole today, and I'm just making a small batch. So I'm using 2 avocados. I've got them here in the dish. I already started to mash them with just a potato masher, and I'm going to get them mashed up here. And I'm going to add a little bit of lime juice and some salt to it. And it's really simple to make. It's not hard at all. It's just a few simple ingredients. But it'll take a little bit to mash it. And then I'll go ahead and put in the salt. I've got some onions also. I've got a real small amount of onions today. I used only about a quarter of an onion, but you can use more depending on your taste. But I have learned also that whenever you're mashing up the avocado, don't put the onions in while you're doing it. Mash the avocados first and then put the onions in, because it makes it easier to get a little bit smoother without the onions being in there. Forget to block the avocados a little bit smoother. Okay, I mashed the avocados for a little while, and I'm going to pour in just a little bit of lemon juice, probably about a teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm just going to estimate. And then I've got my onions, and I've got a ½ teaspoon of kosher salt. Basically just mix this all up. Usually I'll end up making guacamole with 3 avocados, but it seems like we end up having too much left over, and then it just goes to waste. So that's why I just went with 2 avocados today. I've made up enough for dinner tonight. We're having Mexican night tonight. We're having tacos, so I figured this would be good with chips and salsa. Thank you very much.